Hey everybody, how you doing? Peter Carvell here, and welcome to my latest extreme fat burning workout. Now before we get started guys, a couple of things. Number one, these workouts are extreme, so please make sure you warm up before you get started. And secondly, this last week was my birthday and I've put together something really special for you guys that I've never done before, but I'll talk more about that at the end of today's workout, so that for those people who just want to get out of the workout, you don't have to worry about any of that stuff. But I've put together something that I know you're all going to enjoy, just to say thank you for your continued support throughout this year. But as always, let's get going with this workout. I'm going to take you through one complete circuit, 1.5 minutes long. You do it 10 times, 15 minutes, and your workout is all done. But like I've mentioned, it is extreme, guys, so make sure you warm up before you get started. But let's quickly look at the workout. So there you go guys, I hope you enjoy that one. Big compound extreme exercise is going to help you burn a lot of calories during that 15 minutes. Now, like I've mentioned, this last week was my birthday, and first of all, thank you for all your best wishes and congratulations. If you've been following me on Instagram, we had a great time a couple of days ago, but I've put together something really special that I've never done before that I want to offer to all our subscribers here on YouTube as well, and that is, I want to give you my extreme home workout circuits follow along workout DVDs, and this is the online version for whatever you want to pay me for it. That's it. So for the very first time, you can decide how much you want to pay me for these 6 extreme follow along home workout videos, and you will instantly get access to all these 6 follow along workout videos, and you can start using them right away to get some great results right there at home. To take advantage of this, guys, you can simply go over to 6weeksixpack.com/birthday, then simply click on the Buy Now button, and on the next page, you will be able to enter whatever amount you want to pay for those DVDs. This will be available for only 24 hours because obviously people have paid full price for this over the years, and obviously I don't want them to feel ripped off at any stage. So guys, you can go over to 6weeksixpack.com/birthday and grab these 6 extreme home follow along workout videos for whatever you want to pay for them. Once again guys, thank you so much for stopping by today. Thank you for all the birthday wishes a couple of days ago on Instagram, and don't forget this workout that I've showed you guys today. Push hard, enjoy it, and I promise you'll get great results right there at home. Until the next one, remember, have fun and keep it simple out there. Bye-bye.